What's up, bro? This your girl Ashley. Welcome back to my channel, Naturally Dope. And today we're gonna do a short quarantine twist video. I am about to be Felicia's older sister, younger sister, bigger sister, little sister. I'm about to put my hair in some twists. And the products that I will be using are my homemade shea butter moisturizer, my homemade growth oil, my water bottle when my hair gets dry. I dropped it, hold on. And my Mielle, not me, Mielle's leave-in conditioner. I will be doing you can either do the L.O.C method, leave-in oil cream, or you can do the L.C.O method, leave-in cream oil. So what I'm going to do is do my leave-in, my shea butter mix, and put a little bit of my growth oil on top of it. But first and foremost, I am going to massage this oil into your girl's scalp. Do you hear me? Because coronavirus got me fucked.
Coronavirus!
Whoa, corona, baby. Oh, and in the midst of me washing my hair and conditioning, this is how much hair that I lost in the detangling process using my good old Felicia Leatherwood brush. Do I love it? Yes, I do. Do I love it? Yes, I do. I have my 2 hair bows. I need to get a new one. Don't judge me. Because with this thick hair, baby, they don't last long around here at all. I'm going to split my hair down the middle since I don't have that many hair bows to work with. I make these products at home. And honey, it is time consuming, but it's worth it. It is worth it. These products are not to be your one-stop fits all. It is to enhance the products that you already use. So here's my growth oil that's made with aloe vera leaf, some carrots that I ground up, some rosemary, and my secret blend of oils. Yes, honey. What does it smell like? It smells like rosemary in your hair. That's what it smells like. I don't even know why I put this hair bow on my head, because it's already broken. Tip to the wise: don't use these broken hair ties. But that's all you got. You got to use what you got to get what you want, okay? I'll probably use 4 eye drops worth, 2 on each side of my head. I'm trying to make this video short because I'm not about to be up here all night. Because I gotta watch my Black Lightning. My son and I, we love them some Black Lightning. I don't know why, but we do. Massage it in my scalp. Coronavirus!
Coronavirus!
I'm over here messing up
Coronavirus!
Just don't mess up mine. Amen. So I can only good thing I can say, me and my son are spending a lot of time together. A lot of time together that we normally wouldn't spend, because once I pick him up from his after school program and we get home, do these spelling words, don't have to help him with the homework because he's a very smart child. His homework is always done before I pick him up. Now you should have detangled while you were in the shower, ladies and gentlemen. Now you're going to finger detangle. Oh, and if you haven't noticed, I know I have a lot of hair. There's been some speculation, some questions. You look a little different about the face. It's because I cut my hair. You probably can't tell right now, but in the last video, you You should have been able to tell because it was a twist out, but baby, how short was that twist out supposed to be? Because my polo bangs, they come right here. Some things used to be right here. Used to be to my titty. That's my tattoo. My bangs used to be right here. Now they not. I had to cut my whole head. I was bored. My mom was mad at me. People out here trying to grow your hair, grow their hair. That's my butter, peoples. That's my butter. People out here trying to grow their hair. You always cutting yours. Oh, I did it backwards. I forgot to put my leave in there. Talking to you guys, see? It's all right. Mielle, hey girl, hey. Put me a couple of good squirts in that bad boy. I love the smell. Oh, I love the smell of Mielle. Oh my goodness. Absolutely love it. Like I said, we're going to be looking like Felicia by the head. These are not going to be no cute twists at all. We're going to give ourselves probably 8 big funky twists. Why? Because we're going to put this bonnet on. And after we put this bonnet on, baby, we are going to have our fabric bonnet on top of our satin bonnet. Mm-hmm. Don't you hate when you're doing a video and people be calling you? I'm not answering because I got a video to finish. You can wait, Slim Thug. All right, here we go. You can see the texture in that. I don't know if you can see it. Come on, stick it up. These damn bones. But put a little bit in my hair. Make sure you oil that scalp. You massage it in. Did you deep condition this week, people? You've been sitting in the house not doing nothing. Did you clip those ends? Did you? Did you? Because I did. Yes, I did. Then you're going to take a little bit more. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that sheen, that shine on there. I'm going to take a little bit more. Just a dick. That's it. Put on your hair just to seal everything in. Doing a regular twist. That's it. Make sure you always detangle. Detangle from the Rudy to the Tootie. Okay? On to the last one. The last one. Leave-in. Couple squirts. Squirt. And I think I said this before, these products are not to replace the products that you already use. They are to enhance the moisturizing factor of the products you already use. Moisturizing souffle. This take a whole day to make too, man. The time into making these things is crazy. A little bit goes a long way because it melts in your hair, so just squeeze the product into your hair. And a little bit of this growth oil to seal everything in. Not even a lot. These mixtures of oils penetrate the hair shaft I'm looking into my mirror right here, like always. They stimulate blood flow with that massaging that you do. Thus, with continual use and taking care of your hair, because there's no product that anyone can make or anyone has made that will help your hair if you don't help your hair yourself. Heard me? So in the Corona, these are our twists. These are our twists. I got a little butter right now. See that plump ass twist? That plump, shawty. You plump. Take a little bit more of this butter, baby. Just a little bit. I don't want to put this on my scalp. Just gonna put it on the tops of my hair and my edges. My good old bonnet. Oops. Oopsie. Oopsie, I made a oopsie. And that is my quarantine do until the coronavirus leave us alone so I can go get my hair done. Because I want them braids, honey. I want to be looking ratchet. No eyebrows, no nothing. I'm just going to be looking ratchet. But as always, like, comment, subscribe, share, love, peace, and hair grease. And while we doing what we doing with this coronavirus, wash your hands, sanitize, bleach it, wash your house, clean your house, wash your clothes. Because it's going to continue to spread if you guys just don't simply wash your hands. Keep your hands out your face, out your mouth, and stay your ass at home. Okay?